Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I have for sale a set of commemorative 2004 commemorative edition rims. Those are the sizes right there. These are the rims right here. And they fit a car like that, a 2004 commemorative edition Z06. There is one repair that was done right there. This is the back side of one of the rear ones, and it was done by LA Wheels, and they guarantee their work for life. And if you know anything about repaired rims, the weld is going to be stronger than the rest of the rim now. They do Porsches, Bentleys, they do a lot of upscale cars. And there's the other side of that. And I will put a price up on the listing. If you want more videos from Froggy, subscribe and put a click on the little bell and you'll get notifications when I put up a new video. Thanks. See you later. Froggy out. Bye. Just one more quick item there. These are Speedline rims, original equipment rims. They're not replicas. And there's your GM stamp. Okay?